Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Lynn. So I'm on my way to BJ's and then I'm gonna go get more stuff for my Christmas tree decoration. My husband is driving. I have this little one with us and let's get started. Let's dive into the video. Alright guys, here I am in Dollar Tree. I was really excited. I was so happy that I went there because they had so many nice stuff. I was really surprised. Honestly, I was watching a YouTube video and the girl said she went to Dollar Tree and I was like, okay, let me pass by and see. And honestly, I'm glad that I went because they had so many nice stuff. I got some nice one. So you see, they are so pretty. All right, so here I am unboxing my tree. I got this tree from Walmart. The name for this tree is Frisco Pine Christmas Tree, 6.5 inches. It was only $69.99. It was a really good price. I checked for a friend of mine the other day. It's already sold out. So I don't know if they're gonna have it in stock for this year again. So yeah, if you guys want to check, you guys can go ahead and do so. At this point, I really didn't know what I was doing because I was really confused. That was my first time putting a Christmas tree together. So, but I got it figured out. It was a really nice experience. Now, guys, go ahead and subscribe and also like the video. Comment below. Tell me how you're going to be spending your Christmas this year. I know because of the pandemic, it's been a crazy year for all of us. So let me know what you're doing for Christmas. And go ahead and enjoy the video. I guess that's the way the tree is looking right now. Don't mind this picture. It's a picture of me. Alright guys, that's the way the tree is looking right now. And don't mind the picture, that's a picture of me. So that's the way the tree is looking right now. I have to do some more work before I start putting the ornaments. So let's go. Hello guys, so I'm finally gonna put this ornaments and decorate my tree. As you guys can see, I already put the light on and everything, so now it's ready for me to decorate it. Let's go ahead and decorate with me, guys. Yesterday I was so tired I couldn't finish it, so I want to show you guys something some stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. I was so shocked. I was like, what? Dollar Tree? So I got, okay, this one is from Walmart. I got those from Dollar Tree. I was like, what? Dollar Tree? And sorry, my son decided to make some noise while I'm doing a video. And guys, I had a hard time lighting this tree up because I didn't know where to put everything. Like I said, it's my first time, doing this by myself, so it's a struggle. It was a struggle. I got it figured out. Hubby helped me a little bit, and now let's go and get this baby done.